Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1139 and today's topic is artificial intelligence is the mixture of technologies and it has broad meaning, and in previous lecture I have already discussed some technologies and I was on the way of discussing one of the technology that is called machine learning. And under that machine learning, you know that with the help of algorithm, machine learning will become so smart that it can take its own decision, and will, after learning, it will be working automatically, smartly, by making use of algorithm. And the second one is, that is deep learning. Deep learning means here, a machine will be more and more smart with the layers of data with neural networking, and then it will be capable of recognizing the images and speech. And that's why nowadays all the cars which are driverless, means without drivers, they are using this technology of artificial intelligence that is called deep learning, so that car without driver can move anywhere, can recognize all the images, and it can communicate like that. Now the latest, another very interesting technology of AI is there, that is called swarm technology. SWARM, AI. Artificial intelligence based swarm technology, and now there are swarm drones. And you might be hearing, this is a very latest term of the artificial technologies, and lot of technologies are emerging every day. And why I am mentioning this swarm artificial based technology? Because of its extensive use in present war between Palestine and Israel. I don't call it Hamas war, no, because they want to liberate their country. I strongly believe in two-nation theory. Side by side, there must be Palestine state. Very simple. So for that, the Palestinian freedom fighters, from 7th of October, they have started using swarm artificial based technology. And you might have heard that first time it happened where Iron Dome of Israel, they were very much proud of it, that even the bird cannot fly across that Iron Dome. And it failed because of swarm technology. Swarm means the word came from that is called in group, in large number, maybe in thousands or millions. So in that group, when birds are moving, we will say that swarming of the bird. Grasshoppers, swarming of the grasshoppers. Drones, when they are moving in dozens or hundreds or even thousands, satellite, rocket or missiles. That is called swarming. And now, what I call it war tactics or strategy, Palestinians are adopting, because to be very frank, Palestine is nothing in terms of technology of Israel and financial backup. So how to survive the enemy? So they have adopted this latest branch of technology of artificial intelligence is called swarming. So they send everything in large number. That's why 5,000 rockets they at a time attacked. And that was swarming and they could not intercept. The same thing happened today. Some of the drones, they attacked and they were in good number, guided by artificial intelligence, and they were coordinating with each other. And they can inflict lot of injury, they did it. And again the same type of attack was there, and lot of casualties are there, international media is reporting. So now, as a very, very latest strategy is adopted, and that is with the same what I am teaching, a different mixture of technology of artificial intelligence is all everywhere. If you see behind the curtain, that is artificial intelligence is working. They are coordinating. So all these, for example, now in future, maybe after 1 week, 2 weeks, once war will be more and more advanced, complex, and lot of countries will be involved. There will be lot of swarming of the drones, rockets, and missiles. And how the concept came. As your concept is like that, and it is very common in Maiduguri. We notice koila bird. They came in thousands and they attacked lot of our agriculture field. And the government of Borno state was forced to request agriculture ministry to bring the helicopter and spray the medicine to kill them in masses. And the same thing happened with grasshoppers, this type of insect. So this swarming is very, very important to understand. Swarming, we human beings copied from other species like bird and bees and insects. So the insect grasshopper, if 1 dozen are coming, they are not effective. We will ignore. They will come and go. But if in millions they are coming, and once they come in millions, their behavior, their circumstances are different. So once in millions they come, and wherever they go, they can destroy the whole crop. And that crop may be worth of millions and millions of dollars. So grasshopper, that is swarming, and then your birds, that is they go in large number. That is large number that is called swarm. If anything which is in thousands and millions, that is called swarming. Even we human being, if we are going to Lagos, that is sea beach. Beach means that is a land of some side by ocean or sea, is called sea beach. So there is swarming. Lot of tourists, they are going there in large number. That is called tourist tourism. So swarming means large number. And you might have also noticed one swarming of honeybees. Honeybees, if they are attacking in 2-3, is meaningless. And usually they don't attack because their behavior is different when they are in large number. So when they will recognize, they will coordinate. You know, the animals, bees, insects, they also communicate in their own vibrational frequency, in sound. They will coordinate. Swarming will be done. Then let us come in big group, maybe 100,000, 200,000, and they will coordinate and attack at a time. Once thousands and millions are attacking to any human being, even to tiger, they cannot escape. They will be killed. So this technology, that is artificial intelligence, mixture of technology, is adopted at moment. They are adopting, they are using, and it is working very effectively. And in that case, the Israel is now very much in hot water, in trouble, because of swarming drones. With these drones, they go in group. One drone is single, that is called drone. And the number of drones which are moving in groups, maybe 1 dozen, 2 dozen, 100, and when they go, they are very fatal. Because they are coordinating with each other. They are moving with the help of artificial intelligence. It is a type of different technology of artificial intelligence, robotic, swarming of robot. And that's why this swarming is very effective now in war, as a war weaponry, and also intelligence and surveillance everywhere in the world. So these are all very, very latest, I can say, mixture of technologies of artificial intelligence I have given. And here again, I am always mentioning, only algorithm is playing very important role. That is, algorithm means it's a ruling, and I have already given the example how ATM we are using one by one stepwise, and then their stepwise command following. This all done by algorithm, and they are swarming. So that is the latest mixture of artificial intelligence technology. So here number one, machine learning finds pattern that is in data and using them to make predictions. Machine learning is commonly used with artificial intelligence, that is AI. It is a subset of AI, and machine learning refers to a system that can self-learn based on algorithm. So everywhere without algorithm, without data, it has no meaning. In learning or deep learning or all the different mixture of technologies of artificial intelligence is all controlled by the sets of algorithm, and that set is this sets of the rules and instructions. ML refers to a system that can self-learn based on algorithm that makes smarter and smarter without man intervention. So it is because of algorithm, day by day, machine will become smarter and smarter, and there will not be any intervention of human being. Number two, machine subsets of artificial intelligence are: number one, machine learning; number two, deep learning, robotics, neural networks, natural language processing, genetic algorithm, and very latest one which are widely used now in Palestine and Israel war, that is swarm algorithm. Number three, what is algorithm? All the students at secondary, primary level, let the teachers repeat several times. Tell them the meaning of algorithm in simple method. Algorithm is nothing but it is just the ruling, set of rulings. It's very important instruction and ruling of the artificial intelligence. It is set of instructions and rules that make machines to learn and analyze data and work, make decisions based on that knowledge. Actually, it is on the basis of algorithm, by setting up of the rule and instructions, getting knowledge, and that's why machine can take decision on the basis of that knowledge. And the best example of algorithm I gave you yesterday, that is your ATM card. All set, all rulings, all instructions are set one by one. That is done by algorithm. These algorithms perform tasks like human intelligence, and because of algorithm, these machines, they work like human being, just like human intelligence, such as understanding and recognition of natural language. Number 4, deep learning. Deep learning is the subset of machine learning, and where learning takes place through examples. DL computer model filter the input data using many layers. Actually, here in deep learning, it is filtering of data, means purification of data, and then many layers of data is involved, multi-layer, and that's why it has deep thinking and decision making, and it can recognize the images, all these things, and also speech, and that's why deep learning is widely used in driverless cars. So here number 5, swarm algorithm of artificial intelligence. So that is very latest branch, and why I am taking this, because I am going to take so many other technologies of artificial intelligence, but this is burning topic today because of Israel-Palestine war, and that is swarming of the drone, missile, rocket is going on, and also lot of artificial intelligence technology is used in surveillance and also in some secret missions, intelligence, and lot of mass media is involved by making use of artificial intelligence. So that's why this is burning topic, and that's why I am here, so that I can just share my experience of frequency, spectrum of frequency. I can understand very well. That's why I am sharing it to very, very young generation, so that they should not be ignorant. They should understand of today's skill and today's technology and what is happening in the surrounding. It's very, very important. That's why I have taken this today. So that is called swarm algorithm, and I have already given lot of explanation about algorithm. It is instruction, set of instruction algorithms or set of rules. That is, on that basis, all the artificial intelligence machines are working. It is also called swarming technology of artificial intelligence. Palestine is using in war today. And I have gone through one newspaper, because nowadays I cannot trust in the war, the first casualty in any war is the honesty. Lot of fake news will be spread, so that if the whole world is confused. The first biggest fake news was given, that was the slaughter of lot of children. It was wrong, fake news. Later on, CNN and all international media, they apologized. But what injury it inflicted to the society, we cannot wash out by apologizing. So that's why nowadays one has to be very careful. So why I am saying this? Just now I read the news that these Palestinian fighters to liberate their motherland Palestine, with the help of the same swarming of the drone, they inflicted lot of injury and casualties in Israel. It happened today. So this technology is very active today. And the artificial intelligence, that is Palestinians are using the word drone swarms. What is drones? Now there are two types of drone. One is called drone swarms, and other one is called only drone. Drone swarm means the number of drone together are an advanced form of drone technology that has potential to revolutionize industries, military and urban surveillance, capable of autonomous autonomously coordinating large group of drones. And now Amazon has started in advanced countries the drone technology in group swarming. So they are sending kgs of items to your these individuals, and deep learning is working there. So you are sitting, drone is bringing, it will drop to your road and it will go. Very specific goal. So surveillance, that is, the swarms of drones can provide many advantages by coordinating their collective intelligence and senses. That is the advantage of swarm intelligence technology. Swarm drones means they have their collective intelligence and their collective behavior, their collective senses, and that can inflict lot of injuries. That is very important. And number 6, a swarm fleet of unmanned drone, that is aerial vehicle. Nowadays there is fleet of swarm drones, that is unmanned, any aerial vehicle, we call it drone. So they are in group of dozens, 100, maybe in future 200, 500, and once 400, 500 or 1000 drone at a time is attacks any city, any capital, anywhere. There is no any air defense system which can check and we can control. This is the latest, tools of artificial intelligence, different technologies they are using. Aerial vehicle that work together to achieve their specific goal. Number 7, swarm intelligence. Now there is swarm intelligence. Is another mixture of technology of artificial intelligence, that is called swarm intelligence. Is artificial intelligence groups, number of robots and drones. Here in this that is called swarm intelligence, there are either number of groups of robots or number of groups of drone. They will be working together and they will collect lot of information, lot of intelligence together by coordination. And that is AI technology, and that focuses on the use of artificial intelligence software. And India is champion on software. Lot of software, hardware, and of course India is on top in all these technologies in artificial intelligence, backed or based. So here software to enable groups or number of robots or drones to act in coordinated manner using self-automation. They are automatic by themselves. No need of any human interaction or intervention, whatever. They are self-automated. So by self-automation, example, just like grasshoppers, I have given the example. They come in thousands and millions. 2-3 grasshoppers anybody can kill, but millions you cannot. You will run away, and they can destroy the thousands of hectares of crop. In the same way, that is, and also in the group, they change their behavior and habit in the circumstances they attack, and that is quail birds. I have given the example in Maiduguri, Borno state. They come in thousands and they just destroy everything. And also that grouping together offers safety. So why they make the group, especially the birds or even animals? You might have heard of elephants. That is called herd immunity. Word was used in COVID-19. That if there is any small baby of the elephant, they will make the grouping together so that it is well protected. So all the animals, even we, human beings, we are following the swarming. When we are going to sea beaches or as a tourist, we go in 2-3 dozen. So we feel more secure, we feel more comfortable, we feel more happy in interacting with different people. So it is all human behavior, and let me make it very clear here. From where the concept of swarming came to this Muslim world, It is from Ababil. Ababil, it is given that once there was war, and in thousands and millions Ababil birds, they attacked, they brought the small piece of stone, and the big elephant, camel and horses force was defeated. In Islamic history it is given. So they had this concept, this Muslim civilization, Islamic civilization of swarming. So they tried that let us try this swarming, not like bird, not like bees, in the form of drone. And today it is flying like a bird, like Ababil. Tarmihim behijaratim means jilin. That chapter is in our holy book Quran. So this, and we know that in 1000 AD, in 1000 centuries, Middle East, the same Iraq, Babylonian, was the center of learning of science, technology, astrology, mathematics, algebra. Algorithm is actually nothing but algebra. Of modern algebra, it is used in artificial intelligence. So that, genetic factor is there with Islamic world. So this swarming of the drones and swarming of the missiles and rockets concept came from our civilization. So this is really very, very much we can say, interesting finding for Palestinians. And all Muslim scholars are also involved. Technologies are involved. Basic concepts are involved. They are getting from even the 1,000-year-old methods used by animals, by bees, honey bees, or even by bats. So that is called changing the behavior. Koala birds grouping together offer safety in numbers and strength. Honey bees swarm and attack enemies. Honey bee is nothing when there are 2-3, but if they come in hundreds of thousands, they attack any animal, human being. Their success is guaranteed. They cannot stand. So this is what about this artificial intelligence, one technology that is called swarm algorithm of artificial intelligence, then drone swarms, and then swarm intelligence. So I will be taking more and more new technologies. That is actually very broad meaning of artificial intelligence. That's why I told you in the beginning, you should have deep, very clear knowledge of different technologies, the mixture of technologies I call it, of artificial intelligence. Only then you can enjoy the application of artificial intelligence. So Toiran Ababil Tarmihim Hijaratim. That word is swarming of drone technology. How the bird Ababil was used, it is mentioned. With this, I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture. And again, let me make it very clear for any nation, for any civilization, for any group of the people, your paper money is not your asset. Your real asset is not in your bank. Your real asset is in your skill. And that is a modern skill, what I am sharing. So please share this lecture so that innocent poor people, poor children who cannot afford to come to cities to learn, at least this platform of YouTube will be reaching everywhere. Once there is electronic cloud and Wi-Fi platform. And also my humble request with all humility, the poor nations like Nigeria should give concession in educational institutions so that they can reduce drastically the expenses of electronic cloud. Let all the universities in the Nigeria, I wish they are under electronic cloud Wi-Fi free of cost for students at least for a few hours. So within that time they can learn a lot. It is a type of investment in technology in future generation. Once again, thank you very much for watching the lecture.